Be ready. Start. Whoever commits culpable homicide not amounting to murder shall be punished with imprisonment for life or imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 10 years and shall also be liable to fine if the act by which the death is caused is done with the intention of causing death or of causing such bodily injury as is likely to cause death, or with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 10 years, or with fine, or with both if the act is done with the knowledge that it is likely to cause death but without any intention to cause death, or to cause such bodily injury as is likely to cause death. The above section is in two parts, although section does not specify part 1 and part 2, but for the sake of convenience, the investigators, the prosecutors, the lawyers, the judges, and the authors refer to the first paragraph of the section as part 1, while the second paragraph is referred to as part 2. The constituent elements of Part 1 and Part 2 are different, and consequently, the difference in punishment. For punishment under Section 304, Part 1, the prosecution must prove the death of the person in question, that such death was caused by the act of the accused, and that the accused intended by such act to cause death or cause such bodily injury as was likely to cause death. As regards punishment for Section 304, Part 2, the prosecution has to prove the death of the person in question, that such death was caused by the act of the accused, and that he knew that such act of his was likely to cause death. In order to find out that an offense is culpable homicide not amounting to murder, since Section 304 does not define the expression, Sections 299 and 300 IPC have to be seen. To constitute the offense of culpable homicide as defined in Section 299, the death must be caused by doing an act A, with the intention of causing death, or B, with the intention of causing such bodily injury as is likely to cause death, or C, with the knowledge that the doer is likely by such act to cause death. Section 300 deals with murder and also provides for exceptions. The culpable homicide is murder if the act by which the death is caused is done 1. With the intention of causing death, 2. With the intention of causing such bodily injury as the offender knows to be likely to cause the death of the person to whom the harm is caused, or 3. With the intention of causing such bodily injury as is sufficient in the ordinary course of nature to cause death, or 4. With the knowledge that it is so eminently dangerous that it must, in all probability, cause death or such bodily injury as is likely to cause death, and commits such act without any excuse for incurring the risk of causing death or such injury as aforesaid. The exceptions provide that the culpable homicide will not be murder if that act is done with the intention or knowledge in the circumstances and subject to the conditions specified therein. In other words, the culpable homicide is not murder if the act by which death is caused is done in extenuating circumstances, and such act is covered by one of the five exceptions set out in the later part of section 300. It is not necessary in the present matter to analyze section 299 and section 300 in detail. Suffice it to say that the last clause of section 299 and clause fourthly of section 300 are based on the knowledge of the likely or probable consequences of the act and do not connote any intention at all. Reference to few other provisions of IPC in this regard is also necessary. Section 279 makes rash driving or riding on a public way so as to endanger human life or to be likely to cause hurt or injury to any other person an offense and provides for punishment which may extend to 6 months or with fine which may extend to rupees 1000 or with both. Section 336 IPC says that whoever does any act so rashly or negligently as to endanger human life or the personal safety of others shall be punished with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 3 months or with fine which may extend to rupees 250 or with both. Insofar as Section 304A IPC is concerned, it deals with death caused by doing any rash or negligent act. Thank you.